So this is a tourmaline from the Himalaya mine. And this mine was very famous for its pink tourmaline. It was abundantly mined in the early 1900s. The Queen of China at the time really loved the material, so it was carved, collected to be carved mostly. A few pieces got saved, and then later on in history, after World War II, it was more collected for gem rough and specimens. In the 1980s, it was heavily mined for specimen quality, just like this. This is probably from the 80s production. So yeah, this is what collectors really love this stuff, is the history and the aesthetics and the color. But yeah, the mine's really famous. I personally really love Southern California minerals, so it's a treat to see really good. Amazing. It's amazing. I love how the light captures everything. It's highlighted. No, you don't need any edits. Like, pretty impressed with the product. Love the rotation. Love how it takes pictures constantly.